Students, parents, welcome to Max Made Easy. So in this video also we are continuing our discussion related to chapter 1. So large numbers, addition, adding large numbers. So let's continue from the last video. So this is actually part 6 of chapter 1. So if you are watching this video for the first time, I request you to go to the previous videos, watch, learn the previous videos and come back to this video. Okay. So the question is, let's work out this question. Okay. Anu was asked to add 2 to 1000 and she did it like this. Okay. So the way Anu has added this 1000 to 2 like this and she got the answer like 3000. So the question is Anu's answer correct? Is Anu's answer correct, guys? We have discussed this in our previous videos, how to add. So the answer is it's not right. This is no. Anu's answer is not correct. Okay. Why? Because see, while adding numbers, it's very, very important that you write the numbers in the right place. The place values are very important. Okay. So now this 2 is a one digit number, right? So 2 is a one digit number, and when you consider this 2, what is the place value? What is that? It is 1. It is the the 2 is located in ones place, right? So you have to write 2 in ones place next to the ones place of 1000. So which is ones place of 1000? It is here. So you have to write 2 here like this. Okay. So let's work out this. So what is the answer? The answer is Anu's answer correct. So the answer for this is no. Anu's answer is not correct. Why? Because place value error. So, okay, you have to write like this, place value error. So the place value is wrong. So you just complete the sentence. I am not writing the full sentence. So the answer is place value error. Okay, you have to complete it here. So now let's do the right answer. So now you are asked to write the what is the right answer. So let's do it. Okay, how to do that? So 1000. Okay, we are writing 1000. Now what you have to do? You have to add 2. So it is a one digit number. So one is one digit. It is in the only one number is there and that number is in the ones place. So you have to write it in the ones place. So this is ones place. And what is this place value? It is tens place. And this 0 is at the hundreds place and this one is at the 1000 place. Okay, so these are all the place value chart. So now we have only the one digit number which is in ones place. So you have to write 2 here when you add. So it in the right place you have to add. Okay, so now you have to add these two values, 0 plus 2. What you will get? You will get 2. Okay, and then so now nothing to be added, so you can bring it down this 0 directly, 0, and nothing to be added, so this bring down this 0 directly to the answer, and nothing to be added, so bring out this 1 directly. Okay, so your answer is 1002. So that is the right answer. So we have to fill it here. What is the right answer? It is 1002. All right. So hope you understood this. So I repeat, when you want to add numbers, you have to make sure that, so write the first number and then the next number, you have to make sure that you are writing in the right places. So here place value, this one 2 is in the ones place. So here you have written this 2 in the thousands place. So that is wrong. You have to write 2 in the ones place. Okay. Now let's do some more exercises. 2000 plus 5. So how will you add this? 2000. Okay, you have to write 2000. It's getting kind of much. So I just erased. Alright, so let's write 2000. Okay. Okay, 2000 plus you have to add 5. So this 5 is again a one digit number. Okay. So this is what is the value, place values, it is in the ones place. Okay. So 5 is in the ones place. So you have to write it under ones place. Okay. So 0 plus 5 you will get 5. And then nothing to be added. So you can bring down this 0 directly to the answer. Then other 0 also and this 2 also. Okay. So the answer is 2005. So now you are asked to add any other one digit number in the next question. So we will do some more operations to 2000, any one digit number. Okay, so let's add 2 to 2000. Let's add, I will add 8. Okay, let's add 8 to 2000. So here also I am writing it as 8. Okay, let's add 8 to 2000. And let's see what is the answer. What is the answer? 0 plus 8, it is 8. And nothing to be added. So just bring down all those things. So the answer is 2008. Okay. So the answer is 2008. Okay. So let's do two more questions. Two more one digit number. Let's add to 2000. Two more one digit number. Okay, tell some other one digit number. Why don't we go for 5? Okay, 5. What is the answer? 0 plus 5, it is 5. Right. 5 and all these things 0. You can bring down all these things to 0. And this is 2. Okay, so you will get 2005. And then what about one more? 2000 plus I am going for 7. 0 plus 7, it is 7. And 0, 0, 2. So it is 2007. Okay. So hope you understood. So the basic thing you have to understand that when you add numbers, make sure that you are adding the numbers in the proper places. So ones place, you have to write it in the ones place. Okay. So now let's add any one digit number you like to 4000, 5000. So the question is you are asked to add any one digit number to 4000 and 5000. So I want you to do that as the homework problem. The same way we have done with our 2000 in our previous slide. Okay, the same way you can continue with the 4000 and 5000. Do that as the homework problem. So we will go with the adding 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Okay, so we have given like 2000 plus 54. So we have to add 2-digit number. So the same thing, same way you have to make sure that when you add numbers, you have to make sure that you are writing it in the correct places. Okay, so 54. So 54, which is the 5 place, fifth is in which place? It is in 10th place. So you have to write it like this. So it is in the 10th place. So you have to write like this. This is the 10th place and this is the ones place, right? So you have to write 54 like this. Okay. So very, very important, when you add numbers, you have to write the numbers in the proper places. So for 2000, okay, you have written 2000 like this. Now the next number is 54. So the 54 you have to write. So this one where it is starting from the 10th place. Okay, hundreds place nothing is there in 54. Hundreds place nothing is there. Thousands place nothing is there. It is in tens place and then 4 is in ones place. So now what you have to do? 0 plus 4. So you will get 4. And 0 plus 5, you will get 5. Okay. So now nothing to be added there. So you can bring down that 0 directly to 0 and then 2 also nothing to be added. You can bring down that 2 also. Okay. So you will get the answer as 2054. Okay. That is our answer. 2054. Okay. So now you have to add 6010. Okay, 6010. So let's write 6000. So what you have to do? 6,000 to 6,000 you have to add 10. So how will you write? Write it in the proper places. So 0 at ones place and 1 at tens place. Okay, so this is how you have to write. 0 at ones place and 1 at tens place. Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. And this 0, so this 0 you can bring down that 0 to answer directly, and then this 6 also you can bring down to answer directly. 6, so the answer is 6010. 6010, that is the answer. Okay, so now you are asked to write like any 1000-digit 4-digit number which is in terms of 1000 and then add a 2-digit number to it. Okay, so I am going with 3000. Let's add 3000. Okay, let's add 3000 and let's say 27. Let's add 27 to 3000. Okay. I'm erasing this. Okay. So let's add 3027. 3000 plus 27. So what you have to do? Make sure you write it in the proper places. So 7 is at the ones place and 2 is at the tens place. So you have written that. So 0 plus 7, it is 7. And 0 plus 2, it is 2. And so this 0 you can bring down to answer directly, and this 3 also you can bring down to answer directly. So what you will get? You will get 3027. 3027, that is the answer. Okay, so I am going for 4000 here. So 4000 plus, let's see, 18. Okay, 4000 plus 18. Let's see. So 4000 plus 80. Okay, so this also again I am repeating place, a very important, please understand. So 8 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. So you have to write it in that manner. And now 0 plus 8, it is 8. And then 0 plus 1, it is 1. And then 0 and then 4. Okay, so you will get the answer as 4018, 4018. Okay, that is the answer, 4018. That is the answer. Now let's add 3-digit number. So now we started with 1-digit number, then we moved to 2-digit number, and now we'll go to the 3-digit number. Okay, so the only thing, whatever digit number you want to add, the only thing you have to keep in mind that you have to write. When you write, you have to write it in the proper place, and then whenever you get a 2-digit number, you have to carry forward it. Okay. In your addition, when you perform the addition of these three, if you are getting a 2-digit value, you write only 1 digit in that place, and then the next digit you will carry forward to the next place. So we have to keep those, only these two things you have to keep in mind when you perform addition. So now what you have to do? So here 303. So this 3 is in ones place. So we have written in ones place. And this 0 is in tens place. So we have written it in the tens place. And this 3 is in the hundredth place. So we have written it in the hundredth place. Okay. So 0 plus 3, it is 3. And this 0 plus 0, it is 0. And this 0 plus 3, it is 3. And this 2, bring down this 2 directly, 2. 2303. Okay, so the answer is 2303. Answer is 2303. That is the answer. Okay, So now 6,000 to 6,000, let's add. So to 6,000, let's add 410. Okay. So while writing 410, be very careful. Okay, where you have to write it in the proper place. So this 0 at 1's place, this 1 is at the 10 place, and this 4 is at the 100 place. Okay, 410. So 0 plus 0, it's 0. 0 plus 1, it's 1. And this 0 plus 4, it's 4. And then 6, nothing is there. So you can bring down this 6 directly. 6. Okay, so the answer is 6,410. 6,410. Okay, so now we have to do two more. Okay, so we are free to write what all are the values here. So this one, it should be another 4-digit number, a 4-digit number like 2,000, 3,000, that has to be added to a 3-digit number. Okay, so let's write. So let's write, what about, let's go for with the 5,000. Okay, as a 4-digit number, we'll go with 5,000. And let's say a 3-digit number as 371. 371. Let's write. Okay, so let's add 5,000 . 5,000 to 371. Okay, so make sure that you write it in the proper places. So here also, this is 1 is at 1's place, 7 is at 10's place, and 3 is at 100's place. Okay, so like so you have to write like this, otherwise you will be getting wrong answer. So 0 plus 1, it's 1. 0 plus 7, it's 7. And 0 plus 3, it's 3. And then this 5 you can bring down directly to the answer, 5. Okay, so the answer is 5,371. That is the answer, 5,371. So now what about 8,000? Let's write 8,000. 8,000, let us add 203. 230. Okay, so to 8,000, let's add 213. 213. Okay, so 8,000 to 8,000, let's add 2. Okay, let's write 213. Okay, so 0 plus 3, you will get 3. And 0 plus 1, you will get 1. And 0 plus 2, you will get 2. And 8, you can bring down to answer directly. So we will get the answer as 8,230. Okay, so hope you understood adding large numbers. So the only thing is like you have to make sure that you write it in the proper places. So 1 is 1-digit number, write it in 1's place, 2-digit number, 10's place, like that. Okay. Now let's write there in the next question they have given it's like a card game. So for this one, different for each colors, different values are there. Okay, so red 1,000 points are there, this green 100 points are there, 10 blue 10 points are there, and yellow 1 blue point is there. Okay. Now each person, they have just randomly drawn few cards, 8 cards, and 8 cards they have taken, but it is random. They did not know, they didn't actually look at the card, and randomly they have put 8 cards. And then they'll have given like, okay, these many cards have been taken. This is the card, like 1 red card is there, 3 green card is there, 2 blue cards are there, and 2 yellow cards are there. So now you have to find out what is the total point. How will you find out what is the total point? Okay. And they have given like a table, and then we have to, so this one, based on this, we have to complete this table, and then we have to find the answer few questions based on this information on the table. Okay, so let's do this one. First, let us complete the table. Okay. So now this one red card is there. Okay, so for Arun, we'll start with Arun. Arun, 1 red card is there. So 1 red card means how many points? For 1 red card, 1000 points are there, and he has got only 1 red card. So it is 1000. Okay, 1000 is there. 1000, he has collected 1000 now with this 1 red card. So now what you have to do? So the 1000 you have to add the remaining things. Okay. So now the next thing is, see, 3 green card is there. So for 1 green card, 100 points are there. So for 3 green cards, then how many points are there? It is easy, right? So that is what multiplication is. For 100 points are there. And then 3, how will you find out that? So multiply 3 and 100. So you already know, if you want to multiply something with 100, what you have to do? Just add 2 zeros to the right side of that number, whichever number that you want to multiply with 100. So what we want to multiply with 100? We want to multiply 3 with 100. So to 3, right side of 3, you just add 2 zeros. So that is the easiest option. Okay. So it is 300. Now what you have to do? So you have to add up. Okay. So now 300 you have to add up here. So 300. So 300 means, how will you write? You have to write it in the proper places. Okay. So this 0 in ones place, this 0 in tens place, and this 3 in the hundreds place. Okay. So write it in the proper order. So now still remaining are there. So we'll add all these things. We'll write down all the points, and then we will add up. Okay. So this is how 3. So now we have counted red 1000 points, and for green 3 cards are there. So 3 into 100, 300. Now 2 blue are there. So for 1 blue card, 10 points is there. So now for 2 blue card, how many points are there? So what you have to do? You have to multiply 2 with 10. Okay, so 2 into 10 you have to find out. So that also you know, if you want to multiply something with 10, what you have to do? Whatever is the number that you want to multiply, that is 2, to that put 1 0 towards the right. So 1 0 towards right, this will become 20. So here now you have to add up 20. So how will you write 20? So 20, it's starting from, so this is 1's place and this is 10's place. Okay, 2 is at the 10's place. That is what 20 is. So you have to write it in the proper place. Okay. So 0 at 1's place and 2 at 10's place. Okay, very, very important. So now we have calculated. So now what all things we have counted? 1000 for red, 1 red card, 1000 points. 3 green card, 300 points. So 3 into 100, 300, and 2 blue card. 1 blue card, it is 10 points. So 2 into 10, so it is 20, and 2 yellow card are there. So 2 yellow card only 1 point. So 2 yellow card, it's 2 points. So since it is 1 point, whatever is the card number, you can write like this. So this is 2. So that is at which place? It is at 1's place. So you have to write 2 at 1's place. 2 at 1's place. So now we have to add. So we have to add these things. What all are there in the 1's place? Add that. Then move to 10's place, and then move to 100's place, like this. Okay. So 0 plus 0, 0, and that 0. So all these things 0, and this 2. So you will get 2. Okay. When you add these four, all 0, 0 plus 2. So this here also 0 and then 2. This 2. and then 0 plus 3, it is 3, and this one 1, you can bring down 1 directly, so 1322, so that is the point, 1322. So that is what is in words, it is 1322. Okay. So let's do the next column. Let's do the next column. Let me erase this and then do the next column. Alright, so the next one is, okay, one red card is there. So one red card, 1000 point. One red card, 1000 point. Okay. And then 7 green card is there. So you already know green card is 100. Also to 7 green cards. So how will you find out the total points for green card? 7 into 100. Okay, so you have to find out 7 into 100. What is the answer? To 7 right side put 20. It is 700. Okay. So how will you write this? So this is at the hundreds place, 0, the tens place and ones place. So the 7 is at the hundreds place. Okay, write it in the hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 7 is at the hundreds place. Okay, so 700. Now blue, nothing is there. It is 0. So it is 0. So we don't have to add 0. Doesn't mean anything, any difference. And for yellow also nothing is there. So that is also 0. Okay. So it is so we have to add this 1000 and 700. So 1000 plus 700. What you will get? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 7, it is 7. And then this one you can bring down directly. So this is 1700. Okay. That is the answer. 1700. Alright, so now the next one. Let's find out the next one. So this is one red card. So this is 1000. Okay, one red card. So 1000. And then 7 yellow card. So 7 yellow card, that means only 7 points. So yellow card, it is 1 point. So there is no green card and there is no blue card. So those are 0. And only 7 yellow card. So it is 7. So 7, where you have to write 7, it is in the ones place. Okay, so you write it under ones place. So if you add this one, that is very, very important. So you have to add 7. So write it in the ones place. So it is 7. 0 plus 7, 7. And bring down this 0 directly, 0, and bring down this 0 also directly, and then 1. So the answer is 1007. Okay. All right. So let's move to the next question now. So next table, next column of the table. Let me erase all these things. Okay, so for this one also one red card. So you know one red card, it is 1000 point. And then 2 blue card. So blue, it is 10 points. So 2 into 10. So now you directly know how to do it. So okay, so 2, it is 20. So 20, it is 2 at the tens place and 0 at the ones place. So 20 you have to write this here, and then 5 yellow card. So 5 yellow card, it is 5. So 5 where you have to write? It is in the ones place. So you have to write it in the ones place. So this is how you have to write. So if you don't write this in properly, you will get a wrong answer. Keep that in mind. Okay, so you have to write, when you write, if you want to add numbers, when you write the numbers, you have to write it in the proper places. So zeros, ones place and tens place, and this is at ones place. So these add 0 plus 0 plus 0, and say that plus 5, you will get 5. And 0 plus 2, it is 2. And bring down this 0 directly, it is 0, and bring down this 1 directly. So the answer is 10,025. 1025. Okay, and so now this one is important. Okay, so 2 red cards. So 1 red card, it is 1000 points. So 2 red card, how many points? So you have to multiply 2 with 1000. Okay, so multiply 2 with 1000. 2 into 1000. What you will get? 2 into 1000. So if anything which is 1000, if you want to multiply any number with 1000, write that number and put 3 zeros. It's same way. 10 is only 1 0 is there. So put 1 0. If you want to multiply any number with a 10, put 1 0. Write that number and put 1 0 towards the right. If you want to multiply any number with 100, 100 contains 2 zeros, right? Write that number and towards the right put 2 zeros. And the same way, if you want to multiply any number with 1000, write that number and put 3 zeros towards the right. So, okay. So 3 zeros towards the right, what you will get? You will get 2000. Okay. So 2000, let's add 2000 plus, what you have to do? 6 blue. Okay, so 6 blue, it is 10. Blue is 10. So you have to 6, you have to multiply 6 and 10. So 6, 10, what you will get? Just put 1 0 towards right of 6. 6 and 1 0 towards the right. So what you will get? 60. So when you add this one, what you have to do? You have to write it in the proper place. So 6 is at the tens place and 0 is at the ones place. So very, very important. Okay. So what you will get? 0 plus 0, 0. And the 0 plus 6, it is 6. And this 0, bring down this 0 directly, and this 2. Okay. So you will get the answer as 2060. Okay. So now what about this one? 2 red cards. So we already know 2 red cards. 2 into 1000, it is 2000. Okay, 2000. Then what you have to do? So there is no green card and there is no blue card. There is, and now they have only 6 yellow cards. So 6 yellow cards, it is 6.6. So what you have to do? You have to add 6. 6, how? It is 1 digit number. So it is at the ones place. Okay, so 0 plus 6, you will get 6, and then 0, this 0, and bring down this 2 also. Okay, so the answer is 2006. Okay, so now you have calculated all the points. So from this table, you have to find these answers. Who got the most points? So here, which is the largest number? Which is the largest number? Same way. So to find out largest number, what you have to do? You have to find out which one is in the, which is the largest place here. The largest place is 1000. Okay, so you have to find out the number which has the largest value. So here all these number, it is 1. For this one, it is 2. So okay, so now this one, these two you have 2. So from these two numbers you have to find out. Okay, so now, okay, 2 at the thousands place, 0 at the hundreds place. So now you have to find out which one is having the larger value at the hundreds place. So both are 0. So now you have to go for 10. So here this 2060, 10 has got the 6 at the tens place, 6 has got, 6 is the largest. So here it is 0. So 2060 is the largest number here. Okay. So who got the most point? Usha got the most points. So for this one, the answer is Usha. Usha got the most points. Okay. Then who got the least point? So which is the least number here? So okay. So here this 1000. Also here all these things. So now this is 0. 100 place also it is 0. it is tens place, so this is 2. So among these two, this one. Okay, so this is the smallest one. 1000. So who got the least points? Fatima got the least point. So Fatima got the least point. For this, the answer is Fatima. Fatima got the least points. So now you have to write these points from smallest to largest. Okay. So we have to find out how to find out the smallest one. So now this one 1007. So this one which is having the so it is so how will you find out this one which is having the smallest ones here, smallest value here? So it is 100. So for this one in thousands place everyone are same one. So you have to go for this. Okay, next point hundreds place. So hundreds place like which is having the least value, both these two are having zero least value. So you have to now check for the next largest place. So that is 10. So now for 10th place which is having the least value. So this one is having the least value at 10th place. So it is 0. So 1007 is the least one here. So first it is 1007. So then what you have to do? So now what is the next one? So it's in the hundreds place. Tens place it is 2. Okay, so which is greater than this one? So this is 1025. Now which one? So this one, so in both place it is 10. So these two over. So now in hundreds place you have to check. So everywhere 1000 is same for these numbers. Once you are done with these one, whoever that 1000, let's move to 2000. So now these two are remaining. So how will you find out from these two which is the largest one? Smallest one. We have to add from smallest to largest. So in this hundreds place which is having the lesser value, place value. So here the place value is 3, here the place value is 7. So which is the lesser one here? Which is the least place value, small place value. So this one 1300. 3 is the smaller one. Okay, so it is 1322, 1322, and then the next one is 1700. Okay, so now we have to find out among this which one is having the largest. So 2000s place same value, hundreds place also same value. Now in tens place, so which is having the largest value, 6 is largest than 0. So it is this one is the smallest one, 0. In tens place, this one is having smaller value. So it is 2006. So now this one is the largest one, 2060. Okay. So this is how you have to find out. So we have to find out if you want to find the smallest number in this place, higher place which is having the least value. So all these things one is same value. So then you have to check the next place. So then the next place, so this 0, it is hundreds place, these two having the same value 0. So now you have to check the next place, tens place. So now in the tens place, these two we found out that this one is having the least value. So that comes first. Then this one. So now you have, so now in this one, in the next two, what you have to do? Hundreds place is different. So which is having the least value? 3 is having the least value in hundreds place. So now the next is 7. So now this one again 2000 in thousands place it is 2, both are same. So you check with 100, so that is 0, both are same. Now you check with uh, tens place, so which is having lesser, 0 is having lesser. So that came first from, if you arrange from smallest to largest. So you have to do the reverse if you want to find out from the largest to smallest. So hope you understood this. So if you are if you want to receive more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.